The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate, or also called as abscissa. Now you see, already we discussed in the 9th class also. This is a y-axis and it is x-axis. Okay. So where we can identify the point on x-axis. So this is the 3 units. So which is distance 3 units from the y-axis. The distance 3 units from the y-axis, which is located on the point on x-axis, which is called as abscissa or x-coordinate. Okay. The distance of a point from the x-axis. Let us say now it is a point here 4. Let us say this is the point 4. So we need to find the point 3 comma 4. Okay. Then 3 how to measure? So this is the distance of a point from the y-axis. So for y-axis, distance of the point from the y-axis, listen, just a minute. Distance of the point from the y-axis, these are the 3 units. Okay, this is we called as, what is that? Abscissa. And the distance from the x-axis to that point is called as, what is that? Ordinate. So this point we called as abscissa, and this point we called as ordinate. Okay. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form of x comma 0. The point which lies on x-axis, then the coordinate axis value is what? Here. For example, here we have the two axes, right? Listen, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay. So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. And what is the point which lies on the x-axis? What is the point it is? This is the point which lies on the x-axis where y value is 0, x value is 3. The point which lies on the x-axis is in the form of x comma 0. Okay, for example, it is 2. So what is the point it is? This point lies on the x-axis and it is in the form of 2 comma 0. So when you extend along this direction, this is a negative value. Okay, so these are -1, -2, -3. Okay, the point which lies on the x-axis is in the form of x comma 0. So this we can write as -2 comma 0. Like that we have to mention the coordinates of a point on the y-axis. Let us say this is a y point and let us say this is a 3. Then how we can represent this? This we can represent 0 comma 3. Let us say this is -1. So this we can represent 0 comma -1. Okay. The coordinates of a point on the y-axis are of the form of 0 comma y. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are the form of x comma 0. Here we have the distance formula. The distance between any two points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 is given by ab equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us say this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Let us say here we have the 2 points. This is, let us say this is x1 and this is x2, and let us say this is y1 and it is y2. So x1 y1 point is here. This is the point x1 y1 and x2 y2 point is here. This is the point. This is the point x2 y2, and the distance between and these 2 points we can calculate by using this formula. Let us say this is the point A and this is the point B. The AB distance we can calculate by using this formula, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or also we can write like this also, root over, or we can write as like this also, r root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So in these two, anyone we can use. Okay, and here we have the and also we can call as difference of abscissa. Abscissa means x axis points plus difference of ordinates. Ordinates means y-axis points. Difference of abscissa whole square plus difference of ordinate whole square. Or also we can write as root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Then how do you calculate its distance when you measure from the origin? So what is the origin point here? Yes, origin is the x1 y1 values of origin is 0. When okay, when you calculate the distance from the origin, then the formula becomes like this. So let us say this is the p x comma y. Okay, here x1 y1 values are 0 and only xy values are there. Then you will get this formula. OP equal to root over x square plus y square. Okay, note on this. Okay, if given 4 points are formed, parallelogram or rectangle or rhombus square, how do you know that? So you have to see these conditions. If given 4 points like they will give like this: A point and B point. Okay, C point like this. For triangle, they will give only 3 points. For quadrilateral, they will give 4 points. Okay. Suppose if given points are formed, parallelogram means what is the condition for parallelogram? For parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, right? Like this, AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Okay, these opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, but diagonals are not equal for parallelogram. For parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. So where AC is not equal to BD. Okay, we can prove like this. So you find all the distance values of AB, BC, CD, and DA, and get the relation of AB equal to CD, AD equal to BC, but diagonals AC is not equal to BD in case of parallelogram. But in case of rectangle, in this is a rectangle. In rectangle, so not all sides are equal, but opposite sides are equal. Like same similar to parallelogram. Here, opposite sides are equal. AB equal to CD, and AB equal to CD, right? Okay, AC equal to BD. But here in case of rectangle, diagonals are also equal. Then AD is equal to BC. We need to prove all these sides and get this relation for rectangle. For rectangle, prove opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. Parallelogram but not rectangle. How do you confirm that it is parallelogram but not rectangle? In parallelogram, diagonals are not equal, but in case of rectangle, diagonals are equal. Okay, in parallelogram, prove that opposite sides are equal. So you have to prove your diagonals are not equal. Okay, for rhombus, you have to prove all four sides are equal, but in this case, diagonals are not equal. We can add this point here. Diagonals are not equal. No need to prove, but just you know. And for square, all four sides are equal. Diagonals are also equal, right? Next, in isosceles triangle, you have to prove any two sides are equal, like AB, BC, CA. Triangles, how many sides are there? Three sides. You derive the distance from all three sides of triangle, and you get the relation in that AB, BC, CA. Any two sides are equal. The third side is not equal. Equilateral triangle, prove that all three sides are equal. For right angle, you have to prove Pythagoras theorem that all sides are forming related to Pythagoras or not. You have to check. Okay, and these are the geometrical figure. So in problem based on distance formula, we have to measure the distance AB, BC, CD, DA, and we get the relation like this. Okay, now you write out this. Let us say the coordinates of point P xy. So which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 internally in the ratio m1:m2. Let us say this is a line, this is a line. Okay, let us say this is the point A x1 y1. Okay, here the point we have B x2 y2. Another point P is there, so which divides this line segment internally. That means the P point lies in between the A and B. Okay, so this is the point P which lies in between A and B. So let us say this is x comma y point which divides the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. Let us say this is a point A2, this P is m1. Okay, so B2 and P to B distance, let us say this is m2 from up to here. So you have to take the distance from here to here. So just a minute. Okay, from here to here, let us say this is m2. Means this P divides the line segment AB which joins x1 by 1 point and x2 x2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally, not externally. Why? Because the P lies in between A and B, that is called as internal. Okay. To get this m1 and m2 values, or to get the P value, to get the P x comma y value, you have to use this formula, section formula. Okay, what is the section formula? m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, then y coordinate is m by 2 plus m what is that, m1, right? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this will give the point p x comma y. Okay, to get the point p, you have to use this formula. If m1 and m2 values are 1:1, that means the point p lies in between a and b, means exactly between a and b. If p points lies exactly between a and b like this, okay. Now this p divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:1. So in this case, we can consider p as a midpoint. Okay, midpoint. Okay, so let us say this is the x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Then how do you get this midpoint value? You add x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the formula for the midpoint. So this will give the point p x comma y, where x coordinate is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y coordinate is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Why? Because here m1 and m2 both are values of become 1, right? So this is also 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. Then 1 plus 1 is, in denominator you will get your 2. Now you see m1 m2 value removed. Why? Because the values of m1 m2 are 1. Then remaining things are x1 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, this is a midpoint formula. Okay, these are the formulas in coordinate geometry. Please note down this. Find the distance between the following pairs of the points. Let us say this is x1 y1 point and this is x2 y2 point. Let us say it is the point A and point B. 2 comma 3 is the point A. So let us say this is x1 y1 and this is the point B, 4 comma 1. This is x2 y2. Then distance AB equal to, so first question, distance AB equal to, use this formula, root over x1 minus x2 whole square, or x2 minus x1 also we can write. Anyone you can use, no problem. x1 minus x2, what is that? 2 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, 3 minus 1 whole square. So root over 2 minus 4 is how much? Minus 2 whole square plus 2 square. So now this we can write as 4 plus 4 is root 8. Okay, root 8 we can write as 2 into 4. This we can write as root 4 value is 2. The answer is 2 root 2. Okay, the distance AB equal to 2 root 2. Similarly, you do the second and the third. Here we have minus 5 comma 7. Let us say this is a A. Let us say this is x1 y1 point and B point is minus 1 comma 3. Let us say this is x2 y2. The distance AB equal to root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, so what is x1 here? Yes, what is x1 value? Minus 5. Minus of minus 1. Minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1 whole square plus, what is the value of y1 here? 7. Minus y2. What is the y2 here? 3. 7 minus 3 whole square. So this we can write. Then we can write this. AB equal to, distance AB equal to, you write here, distance AB equal to root over minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 3 is how much? 7 minus 3 is 4 square. So this we can write root over 16 plus 16. Minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. 4 square value is 16. Root over 16 we can write, 16 plus 16 is 32. So how we can split this? How we can split this? 32. 4 8 is 32. Right? 4 into 4 into Can I write like this? 16 into 2. Otherwise, you write 16 into 2. 16 into 2. Okay, what is the value of root 16? Root 16 value is 4. So the answer is 4 root 2 units. Okay, you write units. Here, third one is a comma b minus a comma minus b. Let us say this is a x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance AB equal to root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Listen everyone. So what is the x1 value here? X1 value is a. X2 value is minus a. Minus of minus a is plus a whole square. Okay. Plus y1 minus y2. Here y1 is b, y2 is b. Okay. Now you see. Here minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus plus. A plus a. A plus a whole square plus b plus b whole square. Up here clear everyone? Okay. And now distance AB equal to root over a plus a is 2a whole square, b plus b is 2b whole square. Okay, so this we can write as 4a square plus 4b square. Can I take 4 common? Yes, take 4 common here. 4 of a square plus b square. 4 of a square plus b square. Then root 4 value is 2. 2 root over a square plus b square units. Okay. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B? Discuss in section 7. Now you see, it is given that let the points A point let us say 0, 0, let us say this is x1 and y1, and the B point let us say this is, what is that point given here? 36, 15, let us say this is x2, y2. The distance between these two and distance AB, how we can find this? So distance AB equal to, write the formula, root over, you can write this formula also, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is the value of x2? Yes, x2 value is 36 minus 0 whole square, y2 value is 15 minus 0 whole square. Okay, so root 36 square plus 15 square. So 36 into 36 is 1296 plus 225. So that is equal to root over 1521. Then how do you find this root? By doing LCM or by doing division method, long division method also we can do. So here is one method already we have learned in the 7th class or 8th class. 8th class it is there. Okay. So to find the square root, you do like this. Okay. So you pair the last 2 digits and the next 2 digits like this. From the last 2, first you have to come, and right to left you pair the digits. Now 15 is nearer to the 4 square or 3 square. 3 square value is 9, 4 square value is 16. It is nearer to the 3 square value. So 3 into 3 is 9. So what is the value of 15 minus 9 is? 15 minus 9 is how much? That is 6. So remaining 2 digits you write here. So this you make it double. Okay, make it double. So 3 2 is 6. Okay. So last digit is here 1. We know that 9 9 is 81. Right. So here 9. Here also you take 9. 69 into 9. You calculate 9 9 is 81. 8 9 6 is 54 plus 8. That is 60. Okay, therefore the square root of root over 1521 value is 39. Okay, square root of root over 1/1 value is how much here? 39. Another method also there. By doing LCM also we can find this. Okay. Like this you have to do the LCM. Another method, how do you find the square root? One more method is that 1521. Just you do like this. 3 5 are 51. You put 0. 3 7 are 21. Okay. So again 3 1 are 3 20. 3 6 are 18. 3 9 are 27. So 13 into 13. Okay. Then square root of 1521 we can write as square root of 3 square into 13 square. So 3 square root cancel, that is 3. Here also 13 square, root 13 square value is 13. 3 into 13 is 13. Okay, in this way also we can find the square root of 1521. Okay, anyway you can do this. And also they have asked us, can you find the distance between the two terms A and B discussed in section 7.2? Yes, we can find. For the next question, you write this answer. Yes, it is possible to find the distance between the given towns A and B. The position of towns A and B are given 0, 0 and 36, 15. Hence, as calculated above, the distance between town A and B will be 39 kilometers. Okay, note on this. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3, -2, -11 are collinear. Okay, here 3 points are there. Let us say the points are, let the given points A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C -2, -11. And already yeah, we have to determine the given points are collinear. To determine the given points are collinear. So what is the collinear? Collinear means the given 3 points are like lie on same line. Okay, means let us say this is the point A. Let us say this is the point B. This is the C. What is the condition to prove the collinear? Here AB plus BC equal to AC. Can I write like this? AB plus BC. Total value is equal to AC. Okay, we need to prove this condition. Okay, let now you see here. We first you find the distance AB, distance BC, and distance AC, and check the relation between the 3 points. Okay. So now you see the distance AB you find out here. Now, what is the collinear condition? AB plus BC equal to AC. Okay. So distance AB, how do you find this? Let us say this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Root over x1 minus x2. Okay, 1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. That is 5 minus 3 whole square. Square root of -1 square plus 2 square. 1 square value is how much? Yes, 1. 2 square value is 4. Then AB value we got your root 5. Similarly, you find the BC value. Okay, like that you find CA also. Okay, do it. Distance BC, where B point is 2, 3, C point is -2, this is 2 of -2 is 4 square. Okay, so 3 of -11. 3 plus 11 is 14 square. This is 11, I think. 2 minus 11, 14 square. Root 4 square value is how much? Root 4 square value is 16. 14 square value is, yes, 196. Root 16 plus 196 is how much? 16 plus 196. 6 plus 6 is 12, 10, 11. What is the answer? 212. Okay. Then find the BC is over, right? CA. Find the value of CA. Then find the value of CA. What is C? The C value is -2, -11, and A value is 1, 5. Okay, find the value of CA. Minus 2 minus 1 ఏమవుతుంది minus 3 square. Minus 11 minus 5, this will become minus 16 whole square. Minus 3 square value is, and this is what, minus 16 whole square. I am doing directly, so minus 16 whole square. Minus 3 square value is 9, 16 square value is 256. So 9 plus 256 is how much? Yes, 9 plus 6 is 265. Root over 265. Can I write that these values we can I write as AB plus BC equal to CA? No, we cannot write. Okay, here AB plus BC not equal to CA. Therefore, the given points are not collinear. Okay, write on that point. So in this situation, can I add this AB plus BC? Student? Yes? No, we cannot add. So AB plus BC is here not equal to CA. Therefore, the given points are not collinear. Given points are not collinear. Okay. Check whether given 3 points are vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay. So first you write down like this. Let the given points A, B, C are vertices of triangle. Okay. To prove the isosceles triangle, we need to prove two sides are equal. Any two sides of triangle are equal. Okay. So for that you find the distance AB. Distance AB. What is the A value? A value is 5 comma minus 2. Distance AB. Just a minute. To find the AB value, first you write these 2 points. A 5 minus 2. B 6 comma 4. You write the formula. Distance AB equal to root over x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 5 minus 6 whole square, plus y1 minus y2 whole square, y1 minus y2, okay, that is minus 2 minus 4 whole square, right? 5 minus 6 is what? Minus 1 square, plus minus 2 minus 4, if both are having negative sign means you have to add, okay, minus minus, that will become minus 6 whole square. Root over minus 1 square value is 1, root over 6 square value is 36, so this is equal to root over 37. This is the value of AB. Okay, similarly find the value of BC and CA. 7 whole square, okay, plus, listen here everyone, please look at it, 4 of minus 2, minus of minus is plus, 4 plus 2 whole square, directly I am writing this. 6 minus 7 whole square is minus 1 square, 4 plus 2 whole square is 6 square, so root over 1 plus 6 square is 36, this is equal to root 37. Here distance BC is root 37. Okay, next find the value of CA. Here C is 7 minus 2, A value is 5 minus 2. Okay, so now you find the value of CA or AC, anyway you can write. So 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 whole square, minus 2 of minus 2, minus 2 of minus 2, minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. Root over 7 minus 4, 7 minus 5 whole square is 2 square. Minus into minus is plus, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So this is 2 square, so 2 square is 4, right? Root 4 value is 2. Okay, the CA value is 2. Okay, now you see the value of AB and the value of BC both are having same value, that is equal to root 37. Therefore you write here AB equal to BC, which is equal to root 37. Okay, therefore in a triangle two sides are equal, therefore given points form isosceles triangle. Write down like that. AB and BC values are same, that is equal to root 37, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at points A, B, C, and D as shown in the figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing it for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Okay, the given points form square or not. You have to check. So to check this, first you join these points A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to E. It look like a square or not? To confirm this, you find the distances of AB, BC, CD, and D. Now, what is the A point here? What is the point A here? Can you guess? This is x value is 3, y value is 4. And what is the point here? X value is 3 comma 4. What is the A point is 3 comma 4. Sorry, A point is 3 comma 4. Now see the B. Where is the B lies on x axis? The x value of point B is 6. Y value of point B is 7. Okay, x value is 6 and y value is 7. The point B is 6 comma 7. Okay, point B is 6 comma 7. Then point C is x value is 9 and y value is 4. Then 9 comma 4, and this is a point C. And what is the point D? 6 comma 1. 6 comma x value is 6 and y value is 1. Okay, and these are the vertices of these are the vertices of given quadrilaters. If you join these 4 points, it will form quadrilateral. Okay, we have to prove this the given points are formed square. To prove this, we need to find the sides AB, BC, CD, and DA, and also we need to prove diagonal. In square, diagonals are also equal. Okay, find the distance of AB, BC, CD, and DA, and also find the diagonals of AC and the BD values. If diagonals are equal, all sides are equal, then the given points form square. Okay, do this. Let the points what is the point A? A point is 3 comma 4, B is 6 comma 7, and C is 9 comma 4, D is 6 comma 1. Okay, find the distance AB now by using the distance formula. Distance AB. So distance AB. What is the A value? What is the A value? A value is, oh my god, sorry. What is the value of A? You write first. A value is 3 comma 4, B value is 6 comma 7. Then find the distance AB now. AB distance equal to root over x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 3 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, 4 minus 7 whole square. So which is equal to root over 3 minus 6 is minus 3, 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Okay, minus 3 whole square. 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is also 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Minus 3 square is 9. Root over 9 plus 9 is root 18. Okay, what is the value of root 18? Can I write this root 18 as root 9 into 2? Okay, can I write? Then AB value, can I write now like this? Root 9 value is 3 and root 2. AB is 3 root 2. Similarly, you find the BC. Okay. Now, what is the point B here? Point B is 6 comma 7. Point C is 9 comma 4. Find the distance BC now. BC. Distance BC. Root over 6 minus 9 whole square. 6 minus 9 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, that is 7 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 9 is how much? That is minus 3 square. 7 minus 4 also 3 square. So this we can write as 9 plus 9 root over 18. Then root 18 we can write as 3 root 2. Similarly, previously you see here root 18 we have written as root 9 into 2. Root 9 value is 3 root 2. So BC value also we got here 3 root 2. So similarly you find the CD. What is C point here? 9 comma 4. D point is 6 comma 1. So write the CD now. CD is 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3 square. 4 minus 1, 3 square. So 3 square plus 3 square is 9 plus 9 root 18. Then root 18 we can write as 3 root 2. Okay, this is the value of CD. Okay. Similarly, you find the value of DA. Okay, so DA. So what is the D point here? D point, yes, D value is 6 comma 1, A value is 3 comma 4. Okay, so DA value is equal to root over root over 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is 3 minus 3. Okay, so this is also you will get the same thing here, root 18. So this we can write as 3 root 2. Okay, so these are the values of AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay, all sides are giving same result, right? Same value means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, which is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, and also you have to find diagonals of the square also. Okay, can you find the diagonals? What are diagonals? Yes, find out the diagonals. If diagonals are also equal, then the given points are formed square. Okay, now you find the diagonals. Find the diagonal AC and find the diagonal BD. Okay, find out. So diagonal AC. Find out here. What is the point A here? Diagonal A, right down here. So what is the point A here? So find the diagonals. Diagonals find out. So what is the point A? A value is 3 comma 4. C value is 9 comma 4. Okay, find the distance AC now. AC equal to root over 3 minus 9 whole square. 3 minus 9 whole square. Okay, plus
4 minus 4 whole square.
4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 whole square 0. So that is 3 minus 9 is minus 6 square plus 0. Minus 6 square is 36. Root 36 value is 6. AC equal to 6. Okay. Similarly, you find the BD, diagonal BD also. Diagonal BD. Find out B. What is the value of B? B is 6 comma 7 and D is, what is that? 6 comma 1. So distance BD equal to root over 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 7 minus 1 whole square. Okay, that is 6 square. So BD also you will get here 6. Okay. In the final statement you write like this. Here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, which is equal to how much? Root 37. These are the sides of quadrilateral and diagonals. Diagonals. What are the diagonals we have here? AC equal to BD. What is the value of these two? 6. Therefore, given points form square. Therefore, given points form a square. Then who is correct here? Who is correct? Who is correct? Champa is correct, right? Champa and Chameli. Okay. Champa asked Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? Okay. Chameli disagree, but who is right here? Champa is right. Okay, the given points form a square.